Hey there, Blender enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an electrifying tool that can take your 3D creations to the next level. Ever wished you could add stunning lightning effects to your animations? Well, wish no more. Introducing Electro V1.2, the ultimate lightning effect add-on for Blender. Electro V1.2 is a powerful add-on designed to harness the full potential of lightning in your scenes. This add-on is perfect for everyone. Whether you're a game developer, motion graphics artist, or just a creative hobbyist, it's here to add dynamic energy to your projects effortlessly. Electro V1.2 is designed for both beginners and seasoned artists, making it super easy to create incredible lightning designs. With its intuitive tools, you can sketch lightning directly into your scenes. Sounds amazing, right? Plus, you have customizable settings that let you tweak every bolt to fit your vision perfectly. This add-on is not just a time saver, it's a game changer. What's new in this latest version, Electro V1.2, has addressed previous bloom effect issues found in Blender 4.2. This means your lightning will look sharper and more visually appealing than ever. So, why should you choose Electro V1.2? Well, it's perfect for transforming your animations, enhancing your environments, and adding dramatic effects to your projects. Ready to electrify your 3D artwork. Download Electro V1.2 today and unlock the power of lightning in your animations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome Blender tips and tricks.